that's what on. Sometimes I walk to prove my arms around you.
Okay, that's for all.
And I tremble that you talk of giving in, because I know how much it takes to love you. And I'm so afraid of losing you again. Being close to you revive the sorrow that wakes me up and tells me I can't wait. I'd love to wake up in your arms tomorrow, and I'm so afraid of losing you again. Looking guitar. If heaven were to hear my heart's confession, warning you would be my redeeming sin. But I'm glad that you're no longer my possession. But I'm so afraid of losing you again. Being close to you revive the sorrow that wakes me up and tells me I can't wait. I'd love to wake